Hello there. So, you want to know how you can go ahead and sign up into your Experian account in your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and finally search for Experian, just like how I'm about to do. Now, once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first application, download and install it onto your mobile device. And now all you need to do is click on open. Once you've clicked on open, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, all you need to do is click on join now for free. And once you've done that, it would go ahead and ask you for your SSN, your mobile number. However, it's having a trouble for me. However, all you need to do is go ahead and enter everything that it asks you and simply go ahead and create a password and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.